Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? I am Parinder Gadia from Shivashrist Vidyalaya School teaching you computer subject. And students, today this video is for 4th standard subject computer. And 4th standard students, today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Fun with Touchscreen. Okay, now let's start our chapter. First, introduction of touchscreen. You have already learned how to use the basic tools in the touchscreen to create drawings, right? In addition to those, you can also use stamps, create storyboards, and run slideshow in touchscreen. You can even choose canvases of different kind of your work, right? I think in 3rd standard you already done all these options in practical, right? Means how to use magic tool, how to use new tool, how to use stamp tools, right? Now let's revise in 4th standard again. So students, in 4th standard, first we will learn how to use stamp tool, okay? It is a collection of rubber stamps and stickers. It allows you to add ready-made images to your pictures, right? In the stamp tool, you will get so many ready-made pictures in the touchscreen application. Multiple copies of the stamp or of different stamps can be placed at different locations in the drawing canvas, right? You can use same stamp images on one canvas on different places, okay? Different categories of stamps are available for use in selector pane of the touchscreen window. Okay, you can see on the right side of your window so many stamps are available. So that's called a selector pane. Okay, now let's see a practical on it, means how to use stamp tool, right? Now students, you can see in figure 4.1 here you can see different tools are available on the tools option. Okay, paint tools, stamp tools, line tools, shape tools, right? Already you did the practical on it, right? Now in this 4th standard we will start with the stamp tool option, right? Tools. And here you can see when you click on the stamp tool, you will get different types of stamps on the right side, which is called selector pane. Okay. Now when you select any of the stamps from the selector pane, you can see first on the canvas board it will come with a outlines. Okay. Now here you can see so many options, different options are available to view different categories of stamps. Okay, if you want to see different stamps, you can use this both arrows. Okay, left arrow and right arrow. And next one is to flip the stamp vertically and to create a mirror image of the stamps, right? If you want to create a mirror image of any stamps, use this option. And if you want to change, means if you want to increase the size of the stamp, you can select this option. Okay. Now next, how to add a stamps. Okay. So students, this topic we will see in the practical. So let's do a practical on it.
Okay, so students, this is a TuxPaint application, right? Here you can see different types of tools are available in the TuxPaint application, which you already used in the 3rd standard, right? So in the 4th standard, we will learn how to use a stamp option. Okay, means stamp tool. So select the stamp tool, and here you can see in the selection pane, different types of tools are available. Okay, if you want to see another tools, here you can see left and right arrows are available. So select the right arrow. Okay, and here you can see different stamps are available. Okay, now again, if you want to change it, just click on the right arrow. And if you want to go into the back stamps options, select the left option, right? Clear? Now let's learn how to take a stamps on the canvas. So students, select any tool, means any stamps, and drag your mouse on the left side and just click a left click on the canvas. Okay, done. Now let's take in another example. Select that stem and drag your mouse and left click on the canvas. Right, done. Now let's see how to use a mirror option. Okay, so for this option, first select any stems in the stems selection pane and use the mirror option. Here you can see now penguin is looking on the left side, right? Done. Okay, now let's take another example. Select the penguin, click on the mirror option. Now here you can see a mirror image is available, right? Done. Now let's see students how to increase the size of a stem. Okay, so select any stems in the list and here you can see a option are available. Okay, this is a option of increasing size. So here you can see it will increase the size of the stem, right? If you want to decrease the size, then select the lower points and here you can see decrease the size of the option stems. Clear? Done all of you? How to use a stem tool? Okay.
Okay, now students, our next topic is label tool. Label tool is used to type text in the Tux Paint. It can be used to write on any object or stem. Okay, that means students, if you want to write anything on any background, you can use a label tool. In order to type, place the cursor on any of the drawing and start typing. Use the enter key to end the text. Okay, for example, you are writing how are you and means your sentence is completed. Now press the enter key. By using the selector button, you can edit, move or change the style of the text. Different categories of text styles are available for use in selector pane of Tux Paint window. There are additional options in label tool which allows the user to flip the selected label format vertically. Okay, so from this option you can flip the selected label means selected text. The text is available in varying size also which can be selected using the arrows keys. Okay, so using the arrows keys you can change the size of the text. Okay.
Okay, now students, let's see a practical of label tool. Okay, so select the label tool option and type anything from the keyboard. For example, I am typing hello. Okay, so here you can see in the selector pane different styles of text are available. Okay, using the down arrow key you can see another different styles are available, right? Select any style and you can see a formation of text is done, right? You can see on the canvas different styles are available, right? Okay, now if you want to increase the size of the text, you can use these two options. This is up arrow means increasing the size and down arrow means decrease the size of the text, right? If you are using the up arrow, your size of the text will increase, and if you are using the down arrow, your size of the text will decrease, right? And here you can see a color palette option is available. So using this option you can change the color of the text. For example, red color, yellow color, green color, purple color, right? You can pick any kind of colors, right? Done all of you? Okay, now when you are clicking enter key, a box will disappear. Means this text hello is a label on the canvas. Clear all of you? Done? How to use a label option?
Now students, last option our is opening a new drawing canvas. Means how to open a new canvas. Means how to change a background of the TuxPaint. You can create new pictures in TuxPaint using the new tool, right? TuxPaint offers not only a blank or white canvas for the drawing, but also canvases with different colors in the background, black and white outlines and 3D photographs. Okay, so let's see how to change a new canvas. Okay.
Okay, now students, let's see how to use a new tool option. Okay, so using this option, we can change the background of the canvas. Means background means canvas. Okay, now select a new option and you can see different colors canvas are available. Okay, and when you are using down arrow, you can see another options are available with black and white outline pictures or 3D pictures like this. Okay, clear? Now if you want to select this 3D picture as a canvas on your screen, so select that picture and use open option. Okay, when you click on the open option, your canvas will change. Clear? Now let's see some stamps in this picture. So select on the stamp option and use different fish stamps over here. Okay, so select any fish and drag it here. Okay, select any fish and drag it here. Okay, select any fish. If you want to increase the size of the stamp, you can decrease or increase from the here and paste it here. Clear? We can see so many stamps are available. Okay, if you want to see holes in the picture, select the seahorse stamp. Okay, take a size of it and stamp it here. Clear all of you? How to use a stamp tool, how to use a label tool, and how to use a new tool in the TuxPaint. Okay?
Okay, so students, what we learned today, how to use stamp tool, how to use label tool, and how to open a new drawing canvas, right? I hope you enjoyed it. And students, if it is possible on your computer, just install this application and try on it. Okay, thank you.